Wow, I look orange. Fake tan my face a little bit too heavy last night. Yep. Hey you guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out new Makeup Revolution products. It's not going to be a full face. It's going to be a full face of Revolution, but I am going to be testing out new Makeup Revolution products. Does that make sense? Quick heads up, there may be a few more jump cuts in this video because I woke up with asthma for the first time today in like 10 years. Don't know what's happening, but today, kind of can't breathe. So if there are a few more jump cuts, that's because I'm trying to breathe. So today I've got a bunch of new products from Revolution. I think I actually have like 5, 6 highlighters maybe. So it's safe to say that by the end of this video, no matter what I look like, I'm going to be glowing to the gods. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm dying. Come to me, little cat ears. I can't get it over my fat head. Why does my forehead look so much more pale than the rest of my face? Alright, so I've already went ahead and primed my face. I just used my regular moisturizer. So what I have first are these, what are these even called? The Revolution Cushion Correctors. I have the light one. I think they do 5 different ones. I've got 4 of them. I've got light, I've got green, I have banana, and I also have peach. So I'm going to give these a go. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to take the green one, I think. How do I even open? Ooh, like that. Oh my god, that is... Why do I think this is cute? Why do I think a sponge is cute? Okay, so do you like twist it, or does it... Oh! It's in there, so when you twist it, kind of like dispenses the product. Ooh, I like that idea. So you just go like... Yes! Looks like that. Quite pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and dot some on my chin. Corners of my nose. A little bit around here, because I do have a few little scars there. I then have the peach one, so I think I'm going to put that one under my eyes a little bit. Ooh. Okay, I was actually worried that would be too dark, but that looks okay. I'm going to do just a few little dots under my eyes and on the inner corner, just to get rid of my dark circles. You know you've overdone the fake tan when you put an orange corrector on your face and it barely shows up. Good. A little bit on my lid. I just like the motion of like these little cushion things. Boop. Then I want to see what the difference is between the light and the banana. So let's just open up the banana one. Okay. Oh, I thought that was going to be like intense yellow, but that looks okay. How light is this one going to be then? They kind of look the same. This one does just look ever so slightly more yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and brighten my under eyes a little bit with that as well. I love this little like cushion thing. Ha. Okay, I'm kind of living for this. I don't know how quickly these things dry down. Probably should have checked beforehand. But yeah, I'm living for this. Okay, then we'll just take the light one. I guess I'll just like add to it. Okay, that actually is quite a bit lighter. That's kind of white actually. Did anyone get false lashes absolutely everywhere? And then just going to blend all of these in. I'm trying not to blend too loudly because then you can hear my zip. Yeah, they seem to blend out fine. I was worried they would dry down super quickly, but that's blending out fine. They're not too pigmented either, which I like. I always hate using color correctors that are like so insanely pigmented that even when you put your foundation over the top, you can still see like the green, for example. But these kind of blend out really, really nicely. Now let's see how well this hides my dark circles. Pretty damn well, I'd say. Yeah, what the hell? That's like fully brightened my under eye and gotten rid of my dark circles. I never use color correctors because I don't normally like them, but these... I'm kind of thinking I might have to add at least like the peachy one into my everyday routine because I can definitely see a difference. I don't know about you guys. I'm like holding onto my zip to make sure that it doesn't jingle. So then for foundation, I don't have a new one to try out, so I'm just going to go in with my fast-based foundation. I have 3 colors. I have F8, F7, and I also have F14, which I'm going to be using for a little bit of cream contour. I think out of this and the 2 new Revolution Pro foundations, I definitely prefer the sticks. Let me know which is your fave. I'm then just going to take the F14 one and do a little bit of cream contouring. I love cream contouring with like a foundation stick or something because I find it adds a lot more coverage to my problem areas. Whenever I break out, I always break out like around my cheeks almost. So using a foundation stick just means that you get a little bit more coverage. Just a little top tip of the day. I feel like that under eye corrector actually did a lot because I wouldn't even mind too much if I didn't use concealer. Still gonna lag my face in it, but yeah, that corrector combined with the foundation, solid base going on there. So then I'm going to take my Conceal and Define Concealer. I have mine in the shade C5. And I'm going to whack that under my eyes and over any spots. And all over my face, as usual. Ooh, do you know what I could do? I could take this little colour corrector again, the banana one, and highlight my face over my foundation. Yes. I mean, I know I said that I don't need concealer, but where would I be without it? So then I'm going to go in with an old favourite of mine, which is the Revolution Banana Powder. I friggin' love this stuff. It's like the only, yeah, pretty much the only banana powder I use. I just kind of like press it into my skin. And then any excess I'll kind of like buff off in a second. So then I'm just going to do a little bit of bronzing and contouring using this old gem. It's the Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade Ultra Fair. Looks like this. This blusher is a really good dupe. This blusher is a really good dupe for NARS Orgasm. This highlighter is so pretty, but like I said, we have, oh my god, look at that. Yes. But like I said, we have a ton of other highlights to try today, and this contouring powder is also fab. So I'm just gonna warm my face up a bit with that. I'll then just take a little bit of that blush as well, just to show you guys. Like that, you can see it has got actually a really, really nice glow to it, because it's got like little gold flecks in it. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my usual brow routine, and I'll check back with you guys for the new products. Alright, so brows are on. Now it's the moment we've all been waiting for, and I thought I only had like 5 or 6 highlighters. Love how I just said only 5 or 6 highlighters, but I think I actually have more. So what I have is the Renaissance Illuminate. I have Gleaming Gold, Blissful Bronze, and I also have Radiant Rose. I then have the Pearl Lights Loose Highlighter in the shade True Gold. I then have the Shimmer Brick palette, which I've been wanting to try for a while because I'm pretty sure it's this one that I already have in the single, and I friggin' love it. It's so intense, and I'm loving the look of that one there. I have the Dragon Heart Highlighter, which looks like this. Mermaid's Heart, which looks like this. Again, same kind of story. Those shades there could make a banging highlight. But the highlight palette that I am most excited for has to be this guy. So this is the Pro HD Amplified palette, and I've swatched a few of these before. Looks like this, but the reason I'm so excited about this is because this one, the shade Extra, like I said, I swatched it once and I was like, oh my god. Oh my friggin' god. So that one is definitely going on my face today. Normally I'd be like, screw it, let's put them all on my face, because I'd normally only have like 3 highlighters or something, but my face isn't big enough to try them all out. So I will do swatches, and I'll try and put as many of them on my face as physically possible. But this one is definitely going on my face. And if you guys haven't already noticed as well, this looks very similar to an Ofra highlighter book. So what you have, let me just double check. I'm not sure if they're all highlighters. I think pretty much all of them are. You've got Bougie, which is also a highlighter, Lit, which is a highlighter, and then you have Poser. Poser looks more like a blush to me than anything else. Yeah, it looks more like a little baby pink blush. So you can see them all kind of in action. But this one, the Extra highlighter, we need to try. We need to try that right now. You know what? I'm actually going to take off my jacket for this because found another eyelash. Maybe that's like the one that goes with the other one. I'm going to put you there, my friend. What I was trying to say is that I'm going to take my jacket off so that I can do a lot of swatches on my arm. Let's just go ahead and do some swatches. Oh my god, I love the Renaissance packaging. It's so nice because it comes with this little like velvety dust bag. So this was the Renaissance Gleaming Gold highlighter. Ooh, these are buttery, man. That color looks stunning. We then have the Blissful Bronze one. Ooh, this one looks nice. These are seriously like so buttery. Okay, let's put that one there. Ooh, they're pretty. Like these 2 shades, that one's a bit too dark for me, but these 2. We'll then move on to Radiant Rose. Okay, this one is very pink, which isn't my usual kind of thing, but I can still appreciate a good highlight. Uno, dos, tres. These look friggin' nice, man. So I'll then try the loose highlighter in the shade True Gold. So this is in like the same packaging as their luxury powder. Let's take a little bit on the lids. If I just show you guys that there, It's like white and icy, but then you put it on your skin and it kind of like transforms into this like goldeny highlight. How do you do that? Let's move on to this guy, the Dragon Heart one. Love the packaging on that. Wait, is this Freedom? Not Freedom. Is this? Ah, this is I Heart Makeup, so I'm kind of cheating. It's not quite Revolution, but still, let's give it a go. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let me just swatch this like red one. What the hell? Oh, it's actually not as shimmery as I thought it was going to be. That's nice. That could be like... That could actually be a nice little blush. So what I'm then going to do is just swirl my finger in the like more goldeny section. Oh my god, yes. So then we'll try the Mermaid Heart, which is like the more kind of like multicolored one. Okay. Let's swatch this blue one. Oh my lord. It says it's for the face and eyes, so that makes sense. That's actually a stunning color. I'm going to swatch all of them quickly, I think. Oh, yes. Okay, that looks great. The only thing that kind of throws me off about these a little bit is the fact that obviously if you want to use them as a highlighter, you can't really go in with a big brush or anything, because obviously if you picked up the gold and then you picked up the blue, could be an interesting look. But for eyes or just with like a smaller brush, then stunning. And the formula is really nice as well. This orangey one, oh my god, that on the eyes. Yes, please. And this purple one. This is literally just turning into like a highlighter swatching video. Oh my god. Last but not least for the highlighters from Revolution, we have the Shimmer Brick palette. So I think I've tried this one. I'll give it another swatch quickly. Yes. And what I normally do with this one is kind of like take the lighter shades and do that. And then this is the one that I think I'm most excited for. So I'll give it another swirl altogether. Oh yeah. Boy, that is... same for this more bronzy one. Oh my god. So as promised, I'm going to first of all go ahead and go in with the extra highlighter. I've been waiting literally like a month to use this. Are you joking? Oh my god, that's so nice. That's so nice. So then I'm going to go ahead and I think go in with this one here. So then we're going to go in with this middle guy here from the Shimmer Brick. I'm going to take all of them. Should we add like a bit here? This one's actually even more intense. Okay. Boom. I'm actually going to go in and take this champagne shade. And then I'm going to take one of these guys, the Renaissance ones. Which one do I want? So I'm going to take this one here from the Blissful Bronze. And I'm going to pop that on my brow bone. Love, love, love. And then just going to take a little bit of the Pearl Lights one. I cannot get over how that transforms. And that is popping. I'm actually going to the gym later and I'm probably not going to take off my makeup because I'm just doing weights. So I won't sweat as much. I'm going to look so glowy in the gym. I'm going to have my arms out and everyone's going to be like, damn girl, look at that. Look at that bicep highlight. I need to like give you guys a bit more of like a tit show so you can see what's going on. All right, that's enough highlighter for a minute. Let's face it, I'll probably add more later. What I'm going to do next is move on to my eyeballs. So for my eyes, I have another one of the Pro HD palettes. This one is the Amplified 35 palette in the shade Innovation. Looks like this. Basically, if you like warm tone smoky eyes, you're probably going to like this palette. Let's be real here. By the way, these are all mattes if you guys couldn't tell. So I think what I'm going to do is go in with this shade here. Just that one. And just kind of pop that all over my lid and kind of in the crease, just so we're nice and even. I don't know what kind of eye look I'm going to do today. I think I'm going to go in with this shade here for the transition. Maybe. Pop that in the crease. What shall we do? Maybe I'll do like a slightly more cool toned eye today. I'm kind of like drawn to this color here for some reason, which is never my usual kind of thing, but I might focus the look around that. So I think what I'm going to do is take this shade here and just pop that in the crease as well. So then I think what I want to do is start building up to that grey. I don't want to go straight in with like that super smoky colour. So I think I might actually take, I'm just looking here. I think I might take this kind of like taupey coloured here. If I just kind of like build it up slowly all over the lid. Then I think I'm going to take a risk here. I'm going to look way overdone for the gym. I think I'm going to go in with the black. That is a very black. Yeah, I'm going to go with a little bit of that. Going to keep that mostly on like the outer half of my eye. Then I'm going to go back in with that like taupey colour. And then I'm going to take that like peachy shade that we used before. And just go over that. We might need to go over the grey again in a second. You can see it has skipped a little bit. So I'm going to go back in with that grey. And just kind of work that over the black as well, just so there's a bit more of an even blend. So my camera just decided to die while I was doing the other eye, but I didn't really do anything interesting. I literally just kind of kept blending my transition colours into my crease, and this is what we've ended up with. So I'm then just going to take that grey shade and just pop that on my lower lash line. Yeah, I think I might have to take this off before I go to the gym, because this is like ready for the club, whereas I'm just going to be doing bench press and stuff. Then what I'm actually going to use is this random Makeup Revolution liner that I found. It's the Dual Eyeliner Felt and Kohl. I think I'm mostly just going to use like the pencil sides. So that just looks like this. Got pen liner on one side. Oh, that's very black. Oh, that is very creamy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of tight lining. And also put that on my waterline. I hate doing this. Why does it feel so weird? So then I'm just going to add some mascara. The one I have here is just a Model's Own one that I've been liking recently. This mascara is super clumpy, so it's perfect for this kind of eye look. I'm then going to go ahead and glue up some lashes. These are the Posh lashes from Kiss. So I'm just going to glue these bad boys up. So while I'm waiting for those lashes to dry, we need to sort out these lips. So I have some of their new liquid lipsticks and like glosses and stuff. It's basically a bunch of nudes, which is obviously my thing. I'm thinking maybe like outside of the lips with this. Maybe do like a bit of an ombre lip with this. And then try out the gloss as well. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the Strip Liquid Lipstick. I think this is the darker one that we have. Yeah. Oh my god. These smell like actual cake. Just going to pop that on the outer part of my lips. Nice. Then I'll go in with the shade Buff. What am I dropping here? In the middle. So then, I know that's not even just yet, but I don't want my lashes to dry too much, so I'm going to take those. Why do my inner corners never stick down? Alright, so I just went ahead and tidied up my lips a little bit. I'm actually obsessed with this lip colour. Like, this is kind of like my perfect nude. Those two shades together, spot on. So then, just to be fair, I know I don't normally do like a glossy lip or anything. I'm going to be using, if I can find it, this one. This is the Bare All Gloss. These things, like, oh my god, what they smell like. And I've now got it on my nose. You know, let me know if you did this. You know when you kind of like mix up ice cream and you turn it into like this thick ice creamy soup? I know there's some of you that know what I'm talking about. It smells like vanilla ice cream like that. Yes, love that. Okay, let's swatch that there. Ooh, that is really pigmented actually. You could probably even wear that just on its own. So I'm just going to take some of that on the centre of my lips. I'm actually digging that. Ooh, they're sticky, but in like a non-sticky kind of way. Does that make any sense? They've got like a good tack to them. Oh my god, yeah, I love that. All right, let's take these flipping cat ears off. So you guys, this is the finished look, and I'm actually kind of obsessed with it. Literally from like the eyes to the glow to the lips. As for my thoughts on the products, I actually think I pretty much liked everything. Love the lip gloss, love the liquid lipsticks, the highlighters, all of them. I friggin' love this guy, the palette. Also the Shimmer Brick palette. I like the eyeshadow palette. I think these are around £15. So if you guys were in the market for kind of like a Morphe palette, but you don't really want to spend the money, because I know they're not the cheapest things in the world to get here in the UK, this is a really good dupe. In fact, it's probably actually better than the Morphe palette. And then also this random liner that I found in my testing drawer as well. I actually really like that. The liquid liner is really nice and black, as you can see, really fine tip as well. And this liner here, I was worried it was going to be kind of like smudgy and everything, but I've had this on my eyes now for maybe like a good solid 40 minutes or so, and it hasn't smudged or anything like that. So you guys, let me know if you've tried out any products from the new Revolution range. As always, if you did enjoy this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me, because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that's it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.